Okay, my name is Charles Freeman, and I'm a patient of Dr. Majors. And she's been treating me for my leg problems. I had some vein problems, and when I came in, I had some ulcers on my leg, and they was very painful. And as a matter of fact, I had to call and get an early appointment because they was so bad. And as soon as I came and she started treating me, and ever since then, my legs have gotten better. She treated me for my veins. And they have gotten so much better. As a matter of fact, I've got one more treatment that she's going to do for me. Before then, I couldn't. My leg was just hurt all the time. And now, and the treatment that she does, it's so good that I don't even feel it when I'm in there. It's quick, and she's to the point, very professional, very professional. And I would recommend her to anyone. Made me feel so much better when I came in, because I came in, I had blisters, and she immediately started taking good care of me. Whereas at first I was constantly in pain. And that's what started the ulcers and everything like that. And didn't know what it was until I came here. Under Dr. Major's treatment, I've been able to just get back to normal everyday life of exercise, walking, and everything I was doing before. She scheduled me for treatments, and ever since she has started treating me, my legs, the ulcers are gone, my veins are better. I think I have one more treatment that I've got to receive from her. And once I get that treatment, I should be fine. But I've been coming to her, and she's been taking good care of me. And I would recommend her to anyone who has veins or leg problems, period. She's very professional. And when I came in, and ever since I've been coming in, I just been feeling, she makes you feel just like, makes you feel like it's okay. I'm going to take care, and she tells me, I'm going to take care of you, and I'm going to make sure you're okay. And she has been, and she has taken very good care of me. I'm back to doing everything I was doing before. I feel so much better. I just feel like my old self, like my old younger self. I'm able to get around and do things that I haven't been able to do in a long time. I really appreciate Dr. Major's treatment. She is a fantastic doctor, and I just can't express how good I feel and how confident I am in her when I come in. When I leave, I'm fine, and I feel so much better. I highly recommend her.